standard that I used for my project was Earth and Space Science, a kindergarten standard that was to describe in words and pictures the change in weather from month to month and season to season. Before we began the activity, we reviewed the different seasons, and then after that, we just looked at my image that I prepared and I asked some guiding questions. So, our conversation about her drawing activity went on for quite a while, but I'm just going to cover a couple of the things that she said. So, while she was drawing summer, I asked her if she would put snow in the picture, and she said, yeah. And I mean, when I asked her why and if snow belongs in the picture, she said, well, no, it doesn't belong. But she just kind of was like, well, I'll make something else. And then she decided on making rain, and I asked her why she was drawing rain that way, and she said she didn't know why, but she commented that she was making the rain purple, and she talked about how she was drawing an R and how she was drawing an S. And although the letters were completely irrelevant to drawing summer, I thought it was really great because we had just been practicing her alphabet, so it showed me that what we were practicing earlier kind of translated into the drawing activity we were doing at the time. Here's the drawing that she made. She's in the bottom right-hand corner, and the letters that she drew are in the top left-hand corner. Even after she completed the drawing activity, I still wanted to hear a little more about her knowledge of the seasons. So I gave her the voice recorder and I asked her a couple questions. And one of the questions that I thought she gave an interesting answer was, after telling me what she does with her friends in the summer, I asked her if she does that in the winter, and she said that yes, she does. So I asked her, well, what's the difference between summer and winter? And instead of giving me an answer like, oh, winter, there's snow, and summer, it's hot, instead she just kind of gave me a little story about, oh, winter means you can go to school and see your friends. So I feel like she was still a little confused about the true difference between summer and winter. A teaching mistake I made was not checking her knowledge on seasons more in advance. I could have also asked her questions about why she was using specific colors. I could have taught about the alphabet more during the activity, and in the image discussion, I could have asked more questions that weren't simple yes or no answers. However, I think the image I chose was appropriate for the season, but I would teach the lesson in a quieter environment. And my teaching vocabulary, I think I need to be able to get students to elaborate more. However, I think this activity teaches students a lot about seasons.